a problem from inequality. Okay, or it is said that it is a problem of AP, GP and HP, that is from the series. And the problem says that if A, B, C, D be 4 positive number, then which of the following relation is true? 4 relations are given, which are A by B plus B by C plus C by D plus D by A, which is less equal to 0, greater equal to 0, equal to 2, greater equal to 0. Okay, we have to find the correct alternative. Since it is given that 4 number are positive, that is A, B, C, D greater than 0. So we get A by B, B by C, C by D and D by A all are positive. Right? Since 4 are positive, so all are positive. Now we use a simple property of arithmetic progression and geometric progression, that is AM, arithmetic mean greater equal to geometric mean, which is given by A by B plus B by C plus C by A plus D by A. This is 4 number, this is C by D by 4, and this is greater equal to A by B into B by C into C by D into D by A whole to the power 1 by 4. This is AM and this is GM, right? And clearly these are cancel out, so we get 1 from here. This is 1 to the power 1 by 4. So we write A by B plus B by C plus C by D plus D by A greater equal to 1 into 4. This is equal to greater equal to 4. Okay, very simple problem. So our correct option is option number C. Right? Very interesting problem of inequality. Thank you for watching.